because if you refuse the time, then you will not get anything. And if you and God also said, and they also tried, if you work hard, then 3 or 4 years after the 12th, and you will got success. And if you not work hard, then you will not take any kind of facilities. And God also asked for you 3 years, and he gave all of them the 50 years and 60 years to become a luxurious life. He asked only three years. Then you will misuse the time. Then you forgot all about in the atmosphere, and people also neglect you, and he did not respect also that you not want to earn money. And if you had money, then you became a very successful and and people also respect you, because every people thought that if I became any problem, then then he had helped me in that situation, that I want to become this friend. And in their life, the most of the friends, they are come your आप पास आते हैं,
They come to you
they come to you, and for मतलब के लिए,
for their benefit.
for their benefit. And you do not know why the people came, and they misuse you. And my second mantra is forgot all about the past time.
Forget the past.
Forget the past. If you take tension any past, then you will depression came in your mind, and you can't think in the atmosphere. And people also think that if ये मुझसे आगे नहीं जाना चाहिए,
He should not go ahead more than me.
he should not go ahead more than me. And he उसे टोकते हैं और कुछ
They
ऐसा
try to
गलत
pull
काम
down.
करते
They pull down.
हैं. They pull down, and he divert his mind, and he said that if you do this, then and this will harm for you. And they diverted his mind. Then he did not become any big person, and he stopped this. And he took some money, and he did not give him. Then उसे लाचार कर देते हैं.
They make the person helpless.
They make the person happiness and
Helpless.
helpless. And just I see that to forget all about the past time.
Forget
and
the
to
past.
become a very successful
Forgot नहीं,
person.
forgot होता है past form. Forget the past.
Forget the past. Okay.
Present form V1. Forget the past. Good. Next.
So that-
That's it. Well, in class.